Hey fans, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Well, thank you so much for watching today's awesome vlog. If you're curious what I'm actually doing today, I'm going to talk more about my Corsair computer case itself, should I say. And yes, it's a very nice mid-tile computer case, should I say. It does have a dust filter on top, a side window, should I say, and also a mesh front, should I say, for the fans, should I say. And what's really nice is you can put RGB lighting inside this case if you truly wanted to. But yes, it does have these two bays here. But what do I want inside of them is a Blu-ray drive and a card reader so I can read my different cards for my different cameras I own as well, should I say. But yes, this is the 450D model, should I say, but it's a very nice computer case. But it has three form factors of motherboards this case can actually fit. It says it fits the Mini ITX and the Micro ATX, and also the standard form factor ATX motherboards for this computer case itself. But remember, this is not a full size computer case, but it's a pretty tall computer case than my own, should I say. But yes, this is the 450D case, should I say. But here is my original power supply. It's only 650 watts, but I also been looking up some different graphics card, should I say, but some graphics card requires 800 watts of power, should I say, and it's like, that's interesting. It all depends on what power supply you choose to get, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a different power supply for my case itself, maybe a 850 watt power supply, and that will give me enough power for everything inside of my computer case. But I'm still trying to figure out what platform I want to go with, Intel or AMD, or what operating system I want to go with, Linux or Windows 11. It all depends of what I truly want to do with my computer case itself, should I say. But yeah, I'm just going to have a lot of fun building a new computer in the near future. But yes, you can build your own computer, or you can just buy a computer that's already pre-built, should I say. It all depends on what you want to do, should I say. But alright, if you guys enjoy this bringing this channel, please hit that subscribe button, leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share, keep out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog, and thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Catch you in the next one.